Do this every morning to get younger looking skin as 18. Anti-aging face mask to get rid of wrinkles fast, with vitamins for wrinkles on face. Natural aloe vera is always great for wrinkle mask, which is healing and rejuvenating. It prevents collagen damage and works inside out to remove wrinkles from face from appearing. All of us are obsessed with best wrinkle cream from wrinkled skin. Once we hit our late 30s, we try whatever wrinkle cream hits the market without knowing what is good for wrinkles. Best way to get rid of wrinkles on face is to try making these amazingly effective home remedies for wrinkles. Yes, fight skin aging with kitchen ingredients that make your skin look younger. Egg white is always great for natural anti-wrinkle hydrating face mask to help increase blood circulation. It also helps in skin tightening for oily skin. This face pack proves pretty beneficial in providing moisture to dry skin. So this natural wrinkle remover is going to be the best face mask for aging skin. This face mask for wrinkles made at home are safe and full of nutrients. They add a glow to your face and tighten the skin texture. So, stop opting for expensive anti-aging mask and creams, rather try these natural remedies for wrinkles that are sure to reduce wrinkles on face by making your skin better and look younger naturally. As an antioxidant, aloe vera works hard to combat free radicals. Ultimately, this helps for face tightening mask which slows the aging appearance of the skin. And early studies show that it can provide wrinkle reducer anti-aging effects on the skin. The best thing for wrinkles is to improve collagen production and skin elasticity, and these natural face masks does it perfectly. A perfect combination with aloe vera. Applying coffee directly to your skin may help decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness, and fine lines. To make a perfect skin tightening face mask which will give you 100% permanent wrinkle cure, this is going to be the best mask for aging skin. There are many best natural wrinkle cream in market proposed to reduce eye wrinkles, or they says to remove 100% wrinkles around eyes. Are they really the best eye wrinkle remover? Do they suit every type of skin? But this type of natural remedies for eye wrinkles is going to fulfill all your purposes clearly. When the time is to make the best anti-aging face mask or an anti-wrinkle face mask, how can we forget the raw turmeric from its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties? It not only brightens the skin and reduces skin pigmentation, but this beauty face mask is going to be the best wrinkle remover home remedy for wrinkles. When you search for best facial for wrinkles or an anti-aging facial, then this is the best anti-wrinkle mask and under eye wrinkles home remedy to get the best face mask for wrinkles. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.